Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to do a walk around and a startup video for you on a 1986 Pontiac Trans Am. Now, this beautiful car is red with a silver stripe on the bottom. As you can see, it's got the iconic rear window slats on it. The iconic honeycomb wheels. These are finished in black and not the gold. A lot of the maroon cars had gold wheels. The red cars seem to have black wheels. Power windows, power locks, air, tilt, cruise control, rear window defrost, factory fog lights, aftermarket Kenwood CD player. Interior in this car is very nice. You can see how nice the door panels are. Check out the bottoms of the doors. Sill plates, door jambs, the dash. Dash is in very, very nice shape, which is uncommon on these cars. A lot of them are all cracked up. This one is not. Seats are in great shape. Black and silver seats, front and back, are in really, really nice shape. There's the undercarriage of this car. Very, very nice, very, very clean, solid car. This car came from the South. That's why it's so nice. Door gaps very, very nice as well. Just nice, clean, solid. All your panel fitment, panel alignments, very nice on this car. The rear slats are just set it over the top for me. There we go. T-top covers are in there. Your struts are in good shape. The paint on this car is very nice. A couple little minor chips. Got a couple little chips here on the leading edge of that door. What else did I see? Anything really? A little bit. If you look really close in the light, you see a little bit of fine like spider webbing right here. It's kind of hard to see. Maybe it's got a couple little chips down here low on the bumper. Nothing major. I don't think this car's had a lot of paint work in its life. I think a lot of the paint's original in the car. I'm not saying it hasn't been touched up here or there. I mean, you know, it's an old car. It's a 38-year-old car, so. But 89,000 miles are on the car. Those are the correct miles on it. Left turn, right turn, bright headlight indicator, horn, radio. Lower motor, rear window defrost. Windows. Injected 305 V8, pretty much all bone stock as far as I can tell, folks. Underneath the hood, it came like this. We didn't really polish and clean it, nothing. It was just this nice, clean. I think the car's just had a really, really nice, easy life. Like it's had the shit beat out of it or anything like a lot of them have. You can tell it. I mean, it's just a nice, clean car. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kenyonauto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars every day. So if you're interested in purchasing this 86 Trans Am, give us a call, or maybe one of the other collector cars we have in stock. If you do purchase this 86 Trans Am, you are going to get free shipping anywhere in the upper 48, as well as